Okay, everyone, I'm gonna share some thoughts with the GB2 Jaeger Puukko. I attempted to do this outside around the campfire when I was actually using the knife. Unfortunately, the video didn't really show the knife. It just showed a stump of wood. And so this is the knife. This is the GB2 Jaeger Puukko. It comes with a pretty nice leather sheath. The blade steel is N690. The handle is G10. It's a saber grind with a secondary edge. The blade is approximately 4 1/4 inches long. Thickness is 3/16 of an inch. The spine is very sharp. It's just as sharp, so you can use this to do the same task if you wanted to. The barrel tubes are titanium. This is what the Grey Bearded Green Beret calls a Puukko style knife. This is a Rob Evans full tang Puukko. This is a White River Knives version of a Puukko. You can see that there is a bow drivet hole in the handle. And a quick view of all three knives together for a comparison.